Hi everyone, welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. Today's topic is from the book called Six Sigma for Manager, and this is written by Group and wonderful book. In this one there is a page number 119 and there is a discussion about house of quality. It is also called XY matrix. The author portrayed wonderfully the example of ball pen, and in this one look at this in a house of quality. In this one there are critical to quality or customer requirement. For example, there are four typical requirement from the customer. The pen has to easy to hold, and ink flows easily, the smoothness should be there in the ink, doesn't smear, large ink capacity. So these four are the customer requirement. Let's see what are the other critical parameters we have. The critical parameter we have ball hardness, ink viscosity, and metal barrel and ball flow. These four CTQ, and against which the customer requirement. What it has been done actually, there are a correlation test has been done. In my previous video I talked about the scatter diagram and regression value, how we can find the R value, that is correlation value. So in these things, for each value it has given, for example easy to hold, and then you have a metal barrel. So it has been pointing out to be strong correlation. You all know the value. If the value is beyond 8.8, it refers to strong correlation. If the value is between 0.4 to 0.6, that means moderate correlation. Anything below 0.4, that is called weak correlation, whether it is positive or negative. In this one, so there, and then the author says that we have just calculated all these value, and from there we can easily identify which is very critical. And from the statistic point of view we can do it, not because simply we can just write it down. House of quality is very important, but all I suggest is use the correlation, use the regression, find out the R value. Statistically we can have in your matrix, so that you will be able to control the process, and while controlling the process, the author says that we can control the outcome. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day ahead.